Don't believe for a second that being a good closer makes you a good salesperson. It actually is a sign you're a bad salesperson because you got ahead of the buyer and didn't know what to do. Closing is the result of bad selling. In gap selling, we're going to fix that. No more closing. You're going to learn it's about opening. It's easier to sell in a problem-centric environment than it is product-centric. Product-centric selling is what you have been taught most of your sales career. It puts the product at the center of the sales process. Problem-centric selling does just the inverse. And when you get a buyer to focus on the problem, it's easy to introduce a product. The rest of this way in gap selling, I'm going to teach you how to push the problem. It's time to become problem-centric sellers and get rid of product-centric.